Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a zero tax return. Understanding this process is crucial, as it applies when your taxable income is zero, meaning you owe no tax. Even without income, filing can be essential to claim potential refunds or credits you're due. We'll cover who should file and the simple steps involved to ensure you meet your obligations. Many people wonder if they need to file when their income is very low. If your gross income falls below the standard deduction amount, you might file a zero return. It's also necessary to file if you want to claim refundable tax credits, such as the Earned Income Tax Credit, which could put money back in your pocket. Additionally, if you received certain income forms, like a Form 1099 NEC, filing is generally required. Filing a zero tax return is straightforward. First, collect any income statements you received, even if they report zero earnings. Next, use tax software or the appropriate forms, such as Form 1040, to prepare your return. You'll enter zero for your income and any deductions if they apply. Finally, review your return carefully and submit it electronically or by mail. Remember, filing a zero tax return, even when not strictly required, can prevent potential issues with the IRS down the line. Always maintain accurate records of your income and expenses for at least 3 years. If your financial situation is complex or you're unsure about your filing obligations, it's always wise to consult a qualified tax professional for personalized advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.